Alright guys, make sure you follow along for the map here. And it's okay if you have your AirPods or headphones, earbuds, whatever, to listen to this as you follow along to do the map. Right, the sub knows this. Okay, so make sure you follow along, make sure you listen, and then just list the things that I list on your map. Okay. So first, we're gonna go in here and we're gonna label the Aztec, right? The Aztec region, the Aztec Empire. Okay. I'm gonna make mine red for the Aztec. Okay. So let's make it about right here. Ooh, that's a lot. Here, let me make this smaller. Okay, but it's in that general area. All right. So let's go in here. Okay. All right. So that's the Aztec heartland, right? Aztec. Okay. Then we're gonna label the Maya really close by next to it. I'm gonna make mine green for the Maya. Okay. It's gonna be this area here, the Yucatan Peninsula, and it just borders the original Aztec region. Okay, so I'm gonna draw an arrow again. Actually, let's not put it here. Let me put it down here. There we go. Okay, Maya. There you go. All right. Then the Inca. Let's go back down here, South America. Inca, I'm gonna make orange because why not, right? We're gonna go here in Ecuador. Then we're gonna just follow down all the way down here. Okay, all the way down, bam, and then back up. Okay, the Inca Empire was very large, going into multiple countries from Ecuador to the south of Chile and Argentina. All right, so I'm just gonna go like this, right, and I'm gonna go Inca. Okay, there you go. Now let's label some cities, right? Back up to the Aztec. Remember cities, draw with stars, right? So right in here, make a star there, and then I'm gonna write Tenochtitlan. Okay, Tenochtitlan, right? In the Aztec Empire, Tenochtitlan. Okay. Then Tikal, right, in the Maya, right, modern day Guatemala, right in here. Tikal. All right. There you go. Then let's do Cusco. Okay. In Cusco, we're gonna put right in here. Right. Cusco, there we go. And then next, what do we have next? We have Machu Picchu. Okay, so let's open that up. Let's do Machu Picchu. Machu Picchu is going to be slightly to the north of Cusco. Okay, right in here, the approximate location, right? So Machu Picchu, right? This one right in here. Okay. There we go. Let's label the Atlantic Ocean. Right in this area over here. Right, all of it. I'm not gonna color all of it. I'm just gonna a little bit and then write Atlantic Ocean. Okay. Then the Pacific on the other side, right? Just make it blue so we know this is talking about an ocean, right? All this empty space in here is just the ocean, the Pacific. There we go. Then we got the Gulf of Mexico. Let's zoom in a little bit for that body of water in here, right? But all this in here, right? Technically all that space, Gulf of Mexico. Okay, bam. And then the Caribbean Sea. Technically, it's all of this and all of this over here, right? But I'm just going to write it in here for the Caribbean. Or the Caribbean, however you want to say that, right? Both are okay. Caribbean Sea. Bam. Then the Andes Mountains. Okay, Andes Mountains. All right, and for that, I'm just going to make some lines over here going all the way down. Right? Those are my mountains, okay? The Andes. Okay. And for the mountains, draw whatever symbol you want to draw. I just made those little squiggly lines, right? That tells me that's the Andes Mountain. Now I'm going to label some of those modern day countries, though, right? That either fall within these empires or kind of slightly outside of them. All right, the first one being the skinny one in here. The skinny guy that goes all along the coast here. Right, that is Chile. Okay, let's label that. Then up here, this guy in here, right, with those outlines in there, that's Peru. Then to the north of that, here, right, that guy in here, that's Ecuador. Okay. Then this guy here, right in there where Cusco is, technically, right? And there we got Bolivia. Okay, then let's go back to Central America. Right, this guy in here, Mexico. Okay, let's go back down to South America. And let's label Argentina. Argentina is this guy in here. Argentina. And then let's go back up to the north, where Tikal technically is. Right, Guatemala is going to be hard to label because it's this small guy right in here. Right, Guatemala. Whoops, there we go. Okay, Guatemala, right? The thing that's pointing up in there. Okay? So once you have everything labeled, make sure you have all those locations, right, that are listed on the class page, right? Should look kind of like this. If you're neater than I am, which you probably are, right, it's going to look better than this. But once you're done, right, just go ahead and turn it in. Make sure you have everything labeled that's on the list. Go ahead and turn it into the class page, right, for credit. Okay? That's it. All right, that's it. For the rest of the period, right, please just go ahead and work on that